Okay, in this one we've got a question where we've got 2 lollies being chosen at random from a box with 3 mints and 5 toffees. And that's just off the screen, so 3M and 5T. We want to find the probability distribution for the number of mints that he selects, find the expected number of mints he selects. So we need to do a tree diagram to start with. So there are mints and toffees in the jar. We know that there's a total of 8 because we've got 3 mint and 5 toffees. So our fraction here is 3/8 and 5/8 for the toffees. Then if on the first selection, and we're assuming that there's no replacement as well. So when they're choosing those lollies, they're not putting one back after they've chosen. So if they've chosen a mint the first time, then the probability of getting a mint the second time, there's only 2 left of mints out of 7 in the bag now. For toffees, we still have the 5 toffees in the bag, and that's out of 7. Then for our other option, if they chose a toffee first, they'd still have the 3 mints left out of 7, but they would only have 4 toffees out of 7 for the toffee one there. Then we would go along and find out our MM, MT, TM, and TT. So our MM is going to be 3 on 8 times 2 on 7. Our MT is going to be our 3 on 8 times 5 on 7. Our TM is going to be 5 on 8 times 3 on 7. And then our TT is going to be 5 on 8 times 4 on 7. So going down our page, we know they're all going to be over 56. And we've got 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 5 is 15, 3 times 5 is 15, and 5 times 4 is 20. So then when we put our probability distribution table together with our number of mints, we have 0, 1, or 2 mints. Then the probability of 0 mints would be if we had 2 toffees. So that would be the 20 over 56. And we could simplify them down, but for the sake of showing you how to do this question, 15 on 58, 56 plus 15 on 56 will be 30 on 56. And then we've got the 6 on 56. Then when we had to do the next part where we wanted the expected number, that's where we're doing the multiplication out. So the expected number is going to be the 0 times 20 on 56 plus 1 times 30 on 56 plus 2 times 6 on 56. So obviously the 0 is going to be equal to 0. 1 would give us 30 on 56. And then 2 times 6 on 56 would be 12 on 56. So then that would give us 42 over 56, which we could pop in our calculator if we wanted to simplify it. And 42 on 56 simplifies to 3 over 4.